First of all, can you believe this is the 2nd of November? Look at the beautiful blue sky. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here. I'm going to take you inside and show you what's been going on. We've had to get some work done due to the tourism licence law. I'll take you through and show you. You can hear Mark in the background. But the whole place is, we're in a bit of a mess. I'll take you through into this is the lounge. So you can see we've got all the furniture, or some of the furniture into the lounge. This is going through to twin 2. So what we required in here is to get a light tunnel put in. This isn't quite finished. I'll update a video once it's all done. But you can't see right up there because we've got it covered. But basically we went up 6 metres through the roof, through the cave, and we're going to get a window put in there that has to, by law, open. In here we're in the ensuite and we've had to do the same again here. Smaller tunnel there for ventilation. So this is twin 2's bathroom. Take you out, and as you can see we did have light in here and we did have ventilation through here, but we just have to comply with what the law now states. Mark's digging out with Mark. I can't take, that's the master bedroom, that's all sealed off. But once it's all finished, I'll take you in there and show you. I've penciled here, what you can hear is Mark doing a dig out. So I want him to do another couple of dig outs there. So I'll take you through and you can see the mess. Here's Mark now.
Oh.
Hi, what you doing, Mark?
I'm digging out this for to make a big shelf for to put plates in, like vases and all sorts. Plates, cups, saucers.
I'll actually go in and could you explain exactly what you can see there in the shelf and see?
In here, you've got your clay and then you've got your crystallisation, which you get in some caves. You get more crystallisation over at this corner here.
You can see the lines.
And I've picked out bits, but you can see it at different angles with the light. It glistens. You can see it down, right down the lines over the years, the build up. That's your crystallisation here. And you've obviously got clay in. There'll be other layers of this underneath that.
And I'll just show you how much has came out of this. So we're in the kitchen. We didn't plan on doing this, but we thought whilst we were in the state that we're in, that why not just go for it, and rather than just doing the light tunnels. So this is twin 3. The light tunnel up there, Mark's opened that up and that'll all get yesoed, and he's done a shelf there for us as well. And you can see if I go around here, how much air has came out of there. Anyway, it'll make a massive difference once it's all done. And this is a bathroom as well. The same thing in here, we had a light tunnel in there for ventilation. And Mark's opened up, there was a shelf there, a small dig out, but he's made it bigger, which will help for people putting their products in and towels, etc. There's a small dig out there that people put their shampoo, conditioners, and that's just the earth that's came out of there. But I have got a plan what we're going to do with all this there. We're going to actually make a rockery out of it. We'll take a video and show you that, but this will give you an idea of the state that we're in, and we'll have some clearing up to do, but we're a few weeks away for that as yet. Mark's then got to get all this wheelbarrowed out, but just thought we'd show you the work that goes into digging out